taban rakhe ka Swarnim Vijay Varsh nik jingdap sanpusnem kathma happening kari Pakistan but Bangladesh hausnem khatkhandais pa inyo phuwei ka Indian Air Force lingba ka Surya Kiran aerobatic team kalapan long ka jingpen herling sonya ka lengkari India ha ka Sautarik uno pra ar hajar ar phuwei. Ka Flight Lieutenant Ridhima Gurung habaya kren makinong ay kubor hakatay ka step kalayaro ay kajing internet ka jila Meghalaya bat hakajuk kapor kala kentu bat penslur yaki khon samla jong ka jila bat kajong ka than chatay lamingi kari India bakin pentebit bat penyaso ay ladi bat ka kenhun sipay yadari kabalatip kum ka Indian Air Force.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking to your left as the team leader has given a change in the formation. Coming up next, embodying grace and force in the shape of the light combat aircraft Tejas. Look up and keep applauding as the team approaches from your left in the shape of the Indian aircraft Tejas.
Very good morning, first and foremost. Meghalaya, the team has come for the first time in its 25 years. So we were made in the year 1996, the Surya Kiran aerobatic team, and it was such a beautiful opportunity to be here at Umiam Lake. It's such a beautiful place, and Meghalaya, of course, is known as the abode of clouds, where the clouds live. So it was a wonderful experience for the team to be here, for our 9 glinting aircraft to be here. And this was done towards the Swarnim Vijay Varsh of 50 years that have happened since the victory of 1971 war. So we are really privileged and glad to be here. And also one of the aims to be here was to motivate the youth of Meghalaya and Northeast to join the esteemed defence forces.